Welcome, guys. Now, today we are going to look at how I created a particular website for my project. Now, so we open our Visual Studio Code or any editor of your choice. Now, as I walk through, this particular website contains HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript, and that is a little bit, just a touch of it. And so, let's start with it. Every HTML code consists of the main idea with a doc type, the HTML language, the particular links, that's the various links, which is the style sheet, the meta chassis, which is the UTF-8, the meta name, the meta description, the title. So it contains the heading, and with the heading, it contains the body, then the end parts of it as the closing. Now, so I created, I think it was a furniture website that I created for the project. So first of all, you develop a header. Every website has a header. Not every website per se, but mostly the website that we see on social media, most of them have heading, header, sorry. And the header contains the particular nav, that is the navigation links. The navigation links contains the anchor tags. You understand? Which contains the links that will direct the user in order to find it easy to navigate through the website. So that is basically what I mean. And so I developed the heading, and the heading contains a logo, which is the furniture store. So you use the input type, checkbox, ID, nav toggle, class is what? Navigation toggle. And you use the label for the naming. Then you span. When you span, you are going to get it like this. And the navigation, with the navigation, I'm going to use a unordered list. You can use the ordered list, and after that you style it. You understand? In order to take off the the text decoration. But I use the unordered list because I don't want to waste time and all that. So this is an what? An ordered list. So the unordered list contains the link for the home, the store, the contacts, and the login. So whenever a new user logs in or use the website, you are going to log in and you are going to get the home, the store, the contact for you to easy to navigate through the website. That is basically the work of it. So as you go into it, so we have I develop a class which is the MarQ, and the MarQ it's basically just you know a very decoration style which is going to be giving you a sideway behavior. You understand? Per the direction I've given, it will move from right to left. And the reason why I did it because immediately the user logs into the website, you are going to get that view, which is going to prompt you. You understand? It is going to prompt you and give you the basic idea about the whole website or what the website is about. So that's why I use the mark you, the behavior and the direction. So the direction is from left to right. So I can say right. You understand? Yes. So I develop a section. So I'm done with the top. I'm done with the heading, the header, sorry, containing the navs, which is the navigation links and anchor tags. Then you develop a section. You can develop a class for it, but I chose section because I want my website to be in a semantic form so that it will be easy for people to read the code. You understand? So that's why I use the semantically strategy of it. So we have the section, the ID, which is the home, the develop class, hero, then we gave it a heading and a paragraph. It is just a description of it. So this is the main idea. The website contains images, and all the images have a particular description. And the description that it contains gives the user the whole idea of that particular product that he or she is citing on. So maybe let's say I develop a class and I give you the item, right? Which is this one is what? A chair. So the chair is going to contain what? A heading, right? So the heading is going to give you maybe let's take this one for instance. H3, wooden table, right? Then the paragraph is going to give you what? Durable and elegant. So the moment you cite on that particular image, it gives you the overview of it. What is this? This is a wooden table. And this wooden table is very elegant and durable. So that's basically the work of it. So that's what we've done for all the images that I uploaded. You understand? That's all that we did for it. You understand? So it is a background image. Every image contains a heading and a paragraph, which gives the description of that particular product. You understand? So basically, that's the work of it. Then after that, I developed a login table, and that section contains what? A login table for the user, right? A new user, a new user needs to create account. After creating the account, anytime you want to visit that particular site again, you can just log in with your details. You understand? So as a new user, you register your account. After registering the account, you log in. Then you become a partner of my website. You become a customer. So anytime you are coming there, you need to log in with your details. So this is the registration part of it. And this is the address. I'm not going to talk much about the registration page and the login page. I think this is a basic work for as a software developer. It is the basics, you label for the name, you input with the type you want, which is the text. You give it ID and a name. The required there, what the function of that particular required, this thing is really important. You see the required here. Anytime the user has not done, then he or she wants to register, it prompts the user that no, look, you need to do these particular steps before you can register an account, or your password is wrong, or you need to log in, so and so, you understand? So that is the function of the required. After that, I develop an address for my website. Most of the time, in most cases, the websites that we normally find, you know, on the web, they lack address. Most of them lack addresses. So I basically defined a very simple address for my users. So when you check the address, you can see that we have the furniture Saint, city, country, the city and the country, right? So 123 furniture Saint, city and country. I gave you my contact details, right? Then I gave you the email. You understand? I gave you the email. So it gives the user, you know, a high opportunity to get interaction from our base. You understand? Yes. So that's the work of that. So this is the login, what? The login page. After creating the account, you need to log in with your details, your username, your password. You understand? Then you log in. And I told you earlier that the required here gives prompt the user. You need to write the name before you log in. When the password is wrong, you cannot log in. So it gives the user that kind of interaction. You understand? So that's the work of it. After that, I developed a very simple map for my website. You see, in most cases, you can visit a website, then you want to find the real location of that store, or yeah. But in most cases, we find it difficult in navigating to the website and all that. So I developed a very simple map just for you to give you the vivid or the clear direction to our basement. Yeah, so the map is there and all that. So yeah, so this is the CSS, the cascading style sheet. So the CSS contains the styling for the whole website, right? This is the general CSS, which is the margin, the padding, and the box sizing. Then we came to the body. So I don't need to explain all these things. I mean, it's a basic idea of how we develop all those things. You understand? It's about color, the box sizing, the padding, the margin, the grid templates, and all those things. You understand? So let me run the website and let's see how it is. So this is the website. This is the marquee that I was talking about. Mhm. You see, welcome to our furniture store. Discover quality design for your home. So this is the heading, and this is the paragraph. So this is the anchor text contained in the navigation. Sorry, contained in the nav bar, right? So the nav bar contains the navigation links, right? So you can check the contacts here, right? You log in before you can do all those things, as I said earlier. Then you can check our store. You know, all the particular equipment have a heading and a paragraph. So this is a chair. You can see a bed, center table, furniture cabinet, lamp, bed frame, bed, and all that. So thank you guys. This is the footer. So the footer contains the map and the location as well. Thank you guys for your attention.